The city is taken. Half goes into captivity. The rest are not cut off from the city. That is severe judgment, but not total destruction. Then the Lord intervenes. Then shall the Lord go forth and fight against those nations, as when he fought in the day of battle. Zechariah 14:3. Then Messiah stands on the Mount of Olives, and his feet shall stand in that day upon the Mount of Olives, which is before Jerusalem on the east. Zechariah 14:4. So, Jerusalem survives long enough for the Lord himself to return there. 2. Jerusalem is refined, then becomes the Lord's city. Zechariah 13 says a remnant is brought through fire, and I will bring the third part through the fire, and will refine them as silver is refined. Zechariah 13:9. That is not annihilation. That is judgment, purification, and covenant restoration.